Welcome again for Sunday update. I just want to do a very quick one today. It will last very briefly. Just the update of the trading this last week and what has been going on in the trading, the automated trading. So I just want to be able to take us through the numbers and be able to see where we are. April started out very well. So let's look at these numbers right away. So there we are. These are the numbers. Again, I just want to be able to take us through this very quickly. So without much stories here, let me see. We can see everything here. Again, I just want to, of course, mention that the link which is provided in the description below that can bring you right here, and you can always follow this particular trading account and see what is going on with this trading account. The link is provided in the description below. So let me just go back, go to the account here. Again, not much, whatever JKKFX, that's me, and all this, the data with respect to that, fully tracked trading privileges, and also being paid back by courtesy of my FX book. All right, so currently the gain is at 76%. Absolute gain is at 64.73. The daily profit has actually improved. You can actually see we are doing almost 0.56. But I can tell you in the last 2 months, we've actually improved that. In fact, almost daily we are doing something close to almost 1%. That we are doing almost every single day. So this number will actually continue to improve if we continue to run the numbers that we are currently running. The monthly is at 17.99, but I believe this will also improve as we go along. Remember, this one is slightly impacted by the statistics of December, all right, which we traded only for 1 week. And you will see that maybe at the bottom. Currently, the only concern that is slightly there currently is that the drawdown is almost close to 10%. Actually, we are at 9.64. All right, currently as we are, and that is because there are some trades that are still running, and hopefully, in fact, night will have to watch that very closely, what is going on. By the way, these statistics are the last statistics that I took just before the close of business on Friday. If I update this particular, if I actually refresh this, these numbers will change. But let me just bring in this. So on Friday, we did slightly better than 1%. And so therefore, for the whole week, we did almost close to 0.9%, because you can actually see we did 4% for the week of this last week, which is actually April less 1 day, because remember, April began on Tuesday. All right, so but this is the statistics from Monday. All right, so that's why you can find that the month is slightly less than the week by 1 day. All right, and then for the year, all right, so we are talking about January, February, and March. We are already at 71.96%. Now, those are very good numbers. The only, of course, something that we need to watch out for are actually these open trades that we are running. And the other thing that I'm going to do come this week, the moment we close these trades, which are basically AUD NZD and AUD CAD, all right, I have to do something about these two pairs, because then I am running double risk by running AUD CAD and AUD NZD, which is causing all the issues that we are having currently. So let me just refresh this particular page, and then you can see the updates of what we should be looking at as at now. All right, so those are the updates, and you can actually see those are. That changes also these particular numbers here. You can see the day has been cleaned and the week has been cleaned because we are beginning a new week. So I just wanted to bring you those particular numbers. Let me go back down here at the bottom. So again, this is how it is. And given that we have only traded less than a week of the month of April, And we are already doing this for all practical purposes. That is 4%, which is already my monthly target, meaning I'm already hitting my monthly target as it is. And these are the basic statistics that we are having here. So yes, I don't want to belabor much on this. This was just to give you the statistics of what is happening on this particular space. Let me show you the signal page, which is basically the signal start. And if you want to get into this particular channel to actually copy this, it's jkk.signalstart.com. Yeah, so that is how you can get to this, and you can actually see the statistics are the same, and this is actually how we are running. In the month of December, we did 2.59, and that was just 1 week. And then this is how we've been trajecting. I believe that in this month, we should be able to do a good return if we continue with the same number of numbers going forward. Again, just as I mentioned in many of my videos, is that first of all, this is not an advice for anyone to do any investment. Trading Forex is extremely risky, and you need to be able to understand the risks. So this is not to give anybody advice that this is what will be. In any case, in fact, in Forex, we normally say past performance is no guarantee of future success. So with that, I want to thank you as you continue following. We'll continue to do quite a lot with respect to this particular technology and be able to make it user-friendly and make it usable for anyone, so that anybody who wants to get involved in Forex probably can have tools that they can be able to put in their hands and to be able to do what they need to do. So thank you very much. Really, really appreciate every one of you. God bless you, and see you next time. Thank you, and God bless.